Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Luke, and I'm back with another amazing domino tutorial on how to build a 4x4 domino tower. This is kind of more intermediate, so if you're kind of feeling like taking on a challenge, this is the one to do. Alright, so first of all, you're going to set up a few layers of dominoes here. So I'm about to go like this. One here, one here, and here, and here. They're all facing like that. And now you want to do this again, just right next to it. Great at English, guys. This is definitely going great. Alright. Next, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to build up this middle section here. So you're going to connect these two middle ones together by going like this. Now that you've done that, you want to build up these outside rings here too. So you're going to take your domino, set them along these outside ones. They kind of almost form this boop, 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 boop format. And these two are the more trickier ones. You set them on the outside lines of these. So those are kind of interesting. A little wobbly. Wow, microphone problems. All right. Next layer, you're going to want to connect the middle ones once again. This time, reconnecting all of them together. And once again, you're going to want to connect out the outsides. It kind of feels weird, but this is how you build it. A little shaky too. Alright, next layer, remember back to the beginning, when we all set them down that one way, you're going to want to put them all the opposite way. So this time, instead of going this way, we're going to go this way. They're all going to be parallel to each other. I'll give you guys a easy tip for this in a sec after I finish up this layer. Alright, so if we look back to this format thingy here, you can see that there's kind of a thing of 5. So you got the 2 here, and 1 in the middle. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut that off. You only want 5 in that row. So we're going to take one, cut it off, put it like this. This is kind of how I remember which row I'm on, which layer I am on. And so you're pretty much mirroring the first layer that you did. Honestly, it really doesn't matter which layer you start on, as long as they do go in this pattern. Now, you're going to want to continue the process, first of all, by building up this middle section here. Then, once again, you're going to want to build up your outsides. Oh boy. Then, you're going to want to connect the insides once again and do the outside. Now, once again, you can see our pattern on 5 on these sides here just came to a close, so we want to end that off. So we put another row of just parallel ones facing the opposite way that you started with. So instead of facing forward, you're going sideways. So now, if you want to keep continuing to build this up, you can rewatch from the beginning of the video to about this point. It really is just a repeating pattern, and you always want to remember whenever this pattern of 5 comes up, you always want to end it off with that layer of parallel dominoes. Kind of helpful. I don't know. Helped me build my 6.5 foot tall tower with this exact method. Just a lot of times and a lot of repetition. So yeah, I'm going to build this up a little bit more, and I'll see you guys when I do that. So as you can see, guys, I built mine up only like a small distance, but this structure is extremely durable and will go extremely high. And so like I took it up to 6.5 feet. You can probably take it up to 10 feet if you got the space. I don't know. It is really fun. It's really easy as long as you remember the pattern of the 5s and then the break. 5 and then the break. And so, yeah, that's how you build this 4x4 domino tower. Time to get my thumbnail. Haha. Okay, got my thumbnail. Probably should knock this down now. Wahoo! Alrighty, let's go. Wow, is that one loud? Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, also send this to your friends if they ever want to build this. I don't know. Might be a fun little thing. So yeah, have a great rest of your day.